Let's review this game. First, we start from here. Right now, what's the status? What's the stage for this? So probably we need to analysis. For white, you have three string with two cutting points. Overall, it's very safe, and you have lots of territory. And so I think white is alive. And now let's go back to for black. Black, you have one string here, one string here, one string here, and one string here. And these two parts are relatively safe. These two parts relatively safe. There is one cutting point, and you do have control a big territory. So overall, I think black is also alive. If both groups are alive, this is the ending situation. And for the ending stages, usually we focus on the public space, the opening space. So this part and this part and this part will be the focus part. Okay. So, but black play here. Looks like black try to survive in white's territory. So what's the best move for white? Well, if I play white, I will play here, continue capture. And if black play here, I capture it. And do I need to worry about this cutting point? No, because if black cut, I can Atari. And if black connect, if I'm still worried about it, I play here. Now this white group is alive. This white group most likely is alive, and this black group will die. So this is the first probably mistake for black to play here. And I know for beginners it's hard to know, can black survive, or can this one help uh, create any trouble. But as you continue the game, if you know it earlier, the better. Okay, another move I need to point out is this one. Why black, why white play here? You want to connect two white group, but in fact, this cutting point is not a real cutting point, because if black play here, white can play here, and then white can guarantee capture this black. So for white, connect here is not necessary. So you can save this step. You can ignore this white group because ignore this black group because it cannot make 2i. It cannot create any trouble for white. So white can still continue to take the public space. Okay, so that's about this game.